Hey everybody, it's Uncle Bill here. We're going to be making an amazing omelet today. It's not your mama's omelet, and they're telling us that outside. You can hear that lightning because lightning strikes in Uncle Bill's kitchen. And today, we're going to make an amazing omelet.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
All right, it's time to take a look at this omelet. It is smelling amazing. It looks beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to dig in here. Let's hope that cheese is doing its job. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous. All right, we got to get ourselves a taste of this. This is going to be my lunch for today. Get myself a little piece of buttered white bread. Down the hole, wholesome, beautiful, delicious. Let's find out. Oh yeah. The first thing you get is that pepper. You know, that fresh yellow and red and orange pepper taste. Oh, it's beautiful. And then the creaminess of the eggs come in. And that sausage with that sage just starts singing. And then that cheese. It's just perfect. Guys, I'm telling you, with this little fresh pop of tomato on the top, it just is the piece de resistance. Try this out. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this omelet, guys. Hi everybody, I'm Uncle Bill. I wanted to first of all thank you for getting this far in the video. I really appreciate your support. It means the world to me because you know it, I get to do the thing I love, helping you make amazing food in your kitchen. Hey, thank you everyone for sharing our videos on your social media platforms. It's making a world of difference for our channel. People are starting to come in droves to see what we got cooking next week. Keep it going, guys. Put it on Twitter, throw it on your Facebook page, Instagram. It helps everywhere you put it. Thank you so much. Hey, if you'd like to help our channel out a little more, think about becoming a Patreon member. Patreons get early access to videos and get access directly to me. Got some questions about cooking? Want to just chat? Hit me up on Patreon. If that's a little too much, don't worry. You can just buy me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.